Hey, this is Seth Greenwald. I'm General Sales Manager here at Bulldog Kia. Today I'm standing next to this 2019 Ford F-150 XLT. And this is a beautiful truck with low mileage, and we're about to make it look even better. We've got one of our certified technicians, Philip, who's about to be installing a 4.5-inch super lift, fuel off-road wheels, and BF Goodrich tires. I'll check back in with you in just a bit and see what he's done. Hey everybody, I'm back with the 2019 Ford F-150, and I've got Philip here who actually did the install, and I wanted to get him to give us a little more technical detail on what he actually did to the truck. Philip, what'd you do to the truck?
I jacked it up.
All right, well it sure does look good. So if you're looking for a good looking Ford F-150 XLT with a 4.5-inch lift kit, fuel off-road wheels, and BF Goodrich tires, come see us at Bulldog Kia, or you can visit us online at bulldogkia.com or reach us by phone at 888-431-3342. We'll see you at Bulldog Kia.